You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this company in French, because it is indeed a French audio technology company, French brand. Devialet is how it's pronounced in French. Devialet. In English, you can say it as, if you want to learn more brand names, absolutely make sure to stay tuned. Devialet. Devialet. From French, Devialet. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.